Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in our 5x7 camping album kit. And I believe I might only have one of these left. Actually, this might be the last one. So, yeah. So anyway, I'm going to put the link below. It'll take you to my shop where you can purchase this kit. So let's go ahead and jump in. So I do have a full walkthrough of the book on my YouTube channel. I'll link that below as well, but I'm just going to give a super quick flip through. You can see I have a pocket here on the inside front cover with an insertion point. Same thing as on the back cover with some decorative stickers. There are 6 page units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I walk you through how to build all of this in the kit. You'll have the full instructions, which I'll show you in a moment. So each page is constructed the same. You have a pocket here, an insert, a flap on the front. In between on all the pages, you have a large insert that comes out. That's good for perfect size for a 5x7 or a slightly cropped down 5x7 photo, front and back. And then the back of each page has a side flap. You can put a large photo here or a couple smaller photos, photo over here, and then it repeats the same way. So you have a pocket and a flap. And so again, there's a full walkthrough on my channel, but I'll put that link below again. So okay, so this is how your kit will come. It's all nicely packaged. So I'm gonna pull these out first and I'll show you. So you're gonna receive the cover sheet. It just shows a picture of it, all my contact information, what you will need, tools, supplies that you need to complete the album, and then you have full color step-by-step instruction on how to assemble the book. And then the last few pages shows you where all the decorative pieces go and how I put that together. But everything is pre-cut. I'm going to show you that in just a moment here. So let me turn it over. Sorry for all the crinkling. Get that out. Okay, so it's all organized for you in little packets with the labels on them. Now, this paper is double-sided paper. So I highly, highly suggest when you pull out your pieces, you want to keep it right side up. The side with the label is the side that you want facing up on your workspace. If it gets turned around, it could get very confusing when you're looking for a piece and you don't have it, or you see a similar pattern, but it's not the right size. It's possible that it's gotten turned over by accident. So just keep that in mind. Keep everything face up. So yeah, as you can see, everything's pre-cut for you. So I've got a cover packet. I've got, see, page 1, page 3, page 5. So these aren't necessarily like in order in here. I kind of just do everything largest to the smallest on top of the packet, just for easy packaging. But all of the page numbers are on there for easy assembly. So that's all the decorative. So then I even give you all of the leftover pieces. So from the whole collection pack that I used, this is what was left after cutting your kit. All kinds of little strips and little pieces. This is the largest piece in there. That's a nice size. But I could have just thrown it away, but it doesn't make sense. So I figured I'll give it to you. You can throw it away if you'd like, or you could use the little strips and different elements here to either add to your book, or you can create little cards or little other mini projects with that if you like, or just toss it in the recycle bin. Okay, so let's see. Then we've got all of the base pieces. Front page mats, insert, back page mats, as you can see, and it'll all be labeled in your instruction packet that you receive. And then here we have your cover packet, and you can see the chipboard is already cut for you as well. Then you're going to receive some 12x12 sheets. So you have the cut aparts page. Now this is simple. Just go ahead and cut these out as they are. You can use a paper trimmer or scissors. See, this is the back of the actual cover sheet. One full solid piece, and that's to mat your stickers on. So you can put your stickers on and then just fussy cut those out on there. There's all the stickers that you get in the packet. And then here's the 4x6 cut apart sheet, and that's the back of that. So there you have it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And once again, the links are below if you'd like to pick up one of these kits. Thank you so much for watching today and for staying to the end. If you haven't already, please click that like button, click the bell for, subscribe to my channel, click the bell for notifications. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram where I post updates of upcoming projects. Thanks so much and have a great day.